You have been told wrong things about sex, common sex mistakes, myth you must avoid, otherwise you will regret. It is important to understand that there are many myths and misconceptions surrounding sex that can lead to negative consequences if believed and acted upon. Here are some common myths about sex that you should be aware of. 1. Sex should be perfect every time. This is a common myth that can create unnecessary pressure and anxiety. It is important to remember that sex is a learning process, and it takes time and practice to develop a fulfilling sexual relationship. 2. Men always want sex. This is a harmful stereotype that can lead to misunderstandings and unequal power dynamics in relationships. It is important to respect each other's boundaries and desires and to communicate openly and honestly. 3. Birth control is solely the woman's responsibility. This is a dangerous myth that can lead to unintended pregnancies and STI transmission. It is important for both partners to take responsibility for contraception and to use protection consistently. 4. Size matters. This is a common myth that can lead to body insecurity and shame. It is important to remember that sexual pleasure is not determined by penis size, and there are many other factors that contribute to a satisfying sexual experience. 5. Masturbation is unhealthy. This is a harmful myth that can lead to shame and guilt. Masturbation is a natural and healthy part of sexuality and can have many physical and emotional benefits. It is important to educate yourself about sex and to separate fact from fiction. Seeking out accurate information and communicating openly with your partner can lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual experience. So please avoid this kind of myth. Experience your own version pleasure. I hope you liked this video. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.